Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this Crochet Heart Granny Square. I used an H hook Caron soft yarn. It's a few inches or more across in size. The pattern is down below. You can always go up or down on a hook size, and you can use medium worsted yarn. This is Caron soft yarn, and two different types of colors of yarn I'm using. The inside of the heart is light pink, and then the outside is dark pink. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to get started with the magic circle. If this is your first time, there are links down below for the magic circle and how to place your video in slow motion. So get started, you're going to work a chain 3. That counts as your first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert your hook for a double crochet. Grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete the double crochet. Next, you're going to work another double crochet. And then you're going to chain 2 and then work 3 double crochet again. And after this, you will do it 2 more times and you will have a total of 12 double crochet with 4 chain 2s. Okay, you're going to close your magic circle after the chain 2 and then slip stitch on top of that chain 3. And then this round is complete. So for the next round, go into that chain 2 space and work a slip stitch to get back into it, and then chain 3 to start the double crochet. That chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Then double crochet twice inside that chain space. And then work a chain 1. And then work 3 double crochet in the chain space with a chain 2. And then 3 double crochet in that same space. And then after that, work a chain 1 to get to the next chain space and repeat. So chain 1 and work a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and repeat that until you get to the beginning. So chain one and then work 3 double crochet, chain two, 3 double crochet in the next space, and then I'll show you how to end it. And then end with 3 double crochet and a chain two and slip stitch into that chain three. Slip stitch into the chain space and work a chain three and 2 double crochet to get started for the next round. Slip stitch with a darker color and then chain one. This will create the contrast to show the heart, and then work 3 double crochet in the next chain space. Now take your light color and slip stitch it through. I just pull it through that loop. You can cut your yarn. And this is the lighter color. And you will weave in all these loose ends at the end with your yarn needle. So just pull that yarn through. That's the lighter color. And then chain one. And then work 3 double crochet and a chain two and 3 double crochet in that space, the chain space. Now chain one and work 3 double crochet in the next chain space. Now with your dark yarn, you're going to chain one, slip stitch it through, and then chain one. So after your chain one, work 3 double crochet and a chain two and 3 double crochet in the next chain space with the darker pink. Okay, and now you're going to take your light pink and slip stitch it through and do a chain one. Now work a 3 double crochet in the next chain space and then a chain one. Okay, so then with the darker color of pink, slip stitch it through and work a chain 1, and then work that corner with 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now slip stitch with the new color of the light pink and then chain 1 and work 3 double crochet in the next chain space, and then you will finish with a chain 1 and 3 double crochet in a chain 2 to finish that corner. Finish with a chain 2 and slip stitch in that chain 3. And then the next round will be one color, which will be the dark color, and that will make the heart stand out. So you will slip stitch with the dark color. I weaved in all of my ends before I started the next round, just so those loose ends wouldn't be in the way. You just flip it over and weave it in 3 or so times to make sure it's secure and hidden in the back. Now this is just a slip stitch of the dark color. Back at the beginning, you're going to chain 3 and work 2 double crochet. Each chain space gets a chain 1 and 3 double crochet, and each corner gets 3 double crochet, a chain 2 and 3 double crochet. This is going to be faster because this is all repeat. I'm going to do it for the entirety of this round. Just if you'd like to crochet along with me, just make sure you're doing your 3 double crochet in the chain spaces and a chain 1, all in one color. This will make that pink stand out for the heart. And then, like I said, all corners get the 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And then your granny square is complete. So end with a chain 2, slip stitch on that chain 3, and then fasten off and weave in your ends, and your granny square is complete. Okay, so this is what it looks like once all your ends are weaved in, and I would use 2 contrasting colors so the heart stands out. It's hard to see in the video, but the pink is a nice contrasting color. That light pink is, and it stands out. And you can see the heart. Okay, so the pattern is down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope everybody has a happy Valentine's Day.